Hi, I'm Brent Nelsen, and I'm director of the Tocqueville Center for the Study of Democracy and Society. We had a great year this year. This was the second year of our expanded speaker series, and we brought in great speakers talking about everything from the American family to America's role in the world. We also revived our Tocqueville Fellows. We had 19 students who were committed to studying texts and getting prepared for these speakers, and then also going on a retreat where they read Democracy in America and discussed the things that Tocqueville was interested in the United States. And finally, we did some on-discourse things. We got students involved in discussing the speakers, the ideas that the speakers had. They really participated in sharing their opinions and hearing from other people. So all in all, this is a great year.